What are you doing?
Making copies.
Really? On your nose?
Well, I was also about to do an extraction.
That's not the kind of extraction we're known for.
It's a new movement.
Really? How new?
About 10 seconds.
So you must be an extraction expert.
Actually, yeah, I am. Did you know when excessive contents are present during restoration, you should extract the center of the room first to minimize content handling and speed the process. Then, move contents to the center of the room, protect contents, and extract the perimeter.
Actually, I did. You should also use specialized flood extraction tools rather than carpet cleaning wands, or worst of all, shop vacs.
Ugh.
Exactly. That's why we recommend the HPE 3000 and the new all-surface extraction tool. Well, what else, expert?
Keep the extraction hose as short as possible because resistance increases with hose length. Also, avoid loops and bends in the hose. They reduce extraction efficiency.
Don't forget hose reels. While they're great for carpet cleaning, they shouldn't be used for extractions. The long hose coils and internal hose couplings can significantly reduce vacuum and airflow.
I'd never forget that.
Okay, I'm gonna get back to work then.
Me too.
Legend Brands.